Hey everybody, Wire here. Sorry it's been a while. I've been pretty busy at the shop. Anyway, I think what we're going to do is we're going to see if we can restore this screwdriver. I got a few of these, but I think I'm just going to do this one here. Some of the other ones are really bad off, and I don't know if I'm going to restore them or not, but we'll see. I don't know what all this stuff is. I call these vomit screwdrivers because they smell like somebody threw up on them. I don't know, but let's get this all squared away and see what it looks like when we're done. Be right back. Okay, I cleaned it up a little bit, and this is an Oxwall made in the USA. Set it right away. It's pretty dinged up, but we'll see what we can do with this. Try to get it back halfway decent so we can use it. But it is a nice screwdriver. It's not bent or anything. Everything looks good. It just needs a little bit cleaning up. So let me get back to this. And it does smell. It does smell like somebody threw up on it. I don't know what they used in the composition of these handles back then, but believe me, it's not too pleasant. Let's get back to this. Okay, we're all done. Turned out really nice. The blade was a little bit wore out, so I put an edge on it, didn't take it down too much. Still usable. Did polish up real good. The handle is really beat up, so we tried to get that as best we can. This screwdriver's seen a lot of use, so we'll put this in the I'm gonna put this in the collection. But there's a lot of dings, and there's a little piece of it's melted right here, and I really wasn't going to do much with this. I really don't want to compromise the integrity of this this handle, but it did polish up real nice. Let's see if let's make sure it doesn't turn white again, but I doubt it. I put the bowling alley wax on it, and it turned, like I said, it turned out really nice. So we'll put this in with the collection and see. We'll see what it looks like a month from now. See if it turns, but we'll see. A lot of you guys commented you'd like to see me do a model. I mean, I've been building models, I think, since I was 9 years old, and I recently got back into the hobby, and things were a lot more expensive than they were 55 years ago when I was doing this. Anyway, I thought I'd pick something a little easy. I mean, it does say level 4, but I didn't want to get something that was going to take me 2 or 3 months to put together, because I do have some models of big ships and stuff like that. Usually take me about 6 months to do something like that. I figured I'd try something halfway decent. So I think what we're going to do is do this German warplane from World War II, and I don't condone what's on this model, just to make sure the YouTube fact checkers don't hunt me down and take my video off. This is just a model replica of a Nazi warplane that was used by the Luftwaffe back in World War II. So it's just a model, YouTube. So we'll do this one. Says it takes about, I think, 4 or 5 hours to do this, but I'm going to paint it and everything like that. So I'll probably be piecing this together, and we'll probably have a video on this maybe a month from now or something. But we're going to do this, and I don't know, maybe I'll start doing models. I don't know. Depends on if you guys like it or not. Anyway, this is what we're going to do. And I know I haven't been doing many videos. I mean, I've been busy at work, but there's also another reason. I'm going to show you why. I am back. This is the reason why I haven't been making videos. As you can see, I am really packed up back here on my patio. It seems like I'm getting more and more stuff, and I got nowhere to put it. And I've taken some stuff out of the shed and brought it in here. I brought the Indian home from the flea market because I had to downsize because the rent was getting too much money, and business has really been bad the last 2 months. But I'm still working. It is what it is. But this is the reason why I haven't been making many videos. I just have to move everything off the floor and get it and move it out of the way just to get to my workbench. Now, I know last year I did talk about building a shed back here. I made a video of it. What I'm going to do is I'm ordering a 10 by 16 foot shed and putting that back here. I just don't have time to build it. And guys, I'm 68 years old. I can't do some of the things I used to be able to do and not get out of breath after about 10 minutes of work. So this is all going to change. I'm going to be moving all my stuff out into the new shed that's coming. It takes about 3 to 4 months to get it, and I'm hoping to have it by May, and we can. Actually, I'll make a video of that, me taking down this old shed and them delivering the other one, because it comes already built, and they're just going to drop it down on my pad, and we'll be good to go. Anyway, fellas, if you like my video, give me a thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys the next time. This is Wire. See ya!